Excelsior High are back at the summit of urban area schoolboy football after capturing the Issa Manning Cup title. They defeated many-time champions Jamaica College 2-0 in Friday's final at the National Stadium. Christopher Scott tells us more.
The stage was set for an interesting Manning Cup final. Excelsior were seeking their first hold on the trophy since 2004, a year when they also captured the Walker Cup crown. Jamaica College were also looking for their 32nd hold on the title. The Eagles started on the front foot, applying pressure from the very outset against JC. But even with the huff and puff, there was no goal to show at the end of the first half. The second stanza saw more life from both teams, but the stage was only set for one king. And 12 minutes into the half, one team went into the ascendancy. That's Excelsior. Kimberly Scott, the competition's leading goal scorer, netted for the Mountain View-based institution, and it was 1-0 to the Eagles. Jamaica College grew into the game, but never made use of their chances. Kevon Salmon then put the icing on the cake, doubling Excelsior's advantage in second half stoppage time. The 21-year drought has ended for Excelsior as title number 8 was in the bag to the successes in 1953, 69, 80, 89, 93, 2003, and 2004. Head coach of Excelsior, Keon Broderick, says the game plan was pretty clear.
Coming into this game was to stop JC from controlling the game in terms of possession. And for large portions of the game, I think we did very well as it relates to that. The second half was more about how can we transition into attack a little bit faster, and the openings will come.
Broderick also said that this title is special.
As a past student of this institution, it feels good. And as someone who's been coaching the team for 3 years, previous management did not believe. Principal Mr. Brownfield believed in me and kept me on board. And I'm glad I was able to bring one home to Excelsior.
Excelsior's goalkeeper Jamari Gordon is elated to have lifted the trophy.
Well, I'm feeling very good. You know, it's been a long season, consistent training. We just knew that we have to come tonight and bring it home.
Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.